welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I am bringing you guys a quick little get ready with me. I believe this is going to be a 3-in-1. I did my makeup, my hair, and hopefully I can show you guys my outfits. Really simple, but still want to show you guys. And also, this is the same hair that I just reviewed in my previous video, so if you have not checked that video out, go ahead. And as you can see, this hair did curl. Happy about that. But if you are interested in this quick little get ready with me, then of course continue watching this video.